Hello guys and welcome back to Tech. In today's video, I'll show you how to access your safe mode easily and uninstall updates which are disturbing your PC. Now imagine installing new updates and your PC is some kind of in a way misbehaving and you just want to uninstall those updates. You don't know how to do that. So in today's video, I'll show you how to do it. Very easy steps. Now to do this is very easy and simple. You just have to have access to your advanced options mode.
To have access to your advanced option,
just click on your start and go into your PC settings. Now within your PC settings, just go to update and security. Now in update and security, click on recovery and we have here the advanced option. So just click on restart as the PC is going to restart into the advanced option, which is where we are going to be able to use to uninstall the update, or better still, enter into our safe mode. Very easy steps. Now once you are in the advanced option as we have here, just click on troubleshoot. Right, so as we have troubleshoot here, so click on advanced option and here we have first option is to uninstall the update. Now just click on that and as you can see right here, so uninstall last quality update and then uninstall last future update. Either way you can try the first one. If your PC is still misbehaving, then you try the second one. Now let's go back and enter the safe mode as I said. So go back and here we have to click on startup changes and we have here, as you can see, it is going to enable safe mode, which is number 4. So click on restart. So right, once the PC restarts here, so you just click on 4. You just on your keyboard just press on 4 to go into the safe mode. As we are now booted into our safe mode, you can use the save mode to uninstall the update which previously I showed you on the advanced options to uninstall the update. You can use this to do that, or if you install any other drivers which are disturbing your PC, you can uninstall them through here. That is just how easy and simple it is to access your safe mode. Very easy. Guys, if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. So we see you on our next video. Peace out.